how to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. If you're experiencing any problem with the Samsung Smart TV and you just want to factory reset your TV and get back to the default as like new, then here's the step-by-step guide. So let's get started. Well, so now to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV from the Samsung TV homepage, all you have to do is just to go all the way to the left side. And if you come to the left side, you'll get to see the few different options. So you just need to find out the settings icon right here. And once you get the settings, just go ahead and press OK from the remote. And this will get into the Samsung Smart TV settings. And from the settings, you just need to come down and select the general option from here. And once you get the general, just press the side arrow button from the remote. And this will get into the general settings. And from here, you just need to come down to the very bottom until you get to see the option called reset. So this is the reset. So before you reset your Samsung Smart TV, make sure all the customized settings will get into the default and all the downloaded apps and other settings will be resetted and get back to the default. So I'm going to select the reset option from here. And once you press that, this will record your TV pin code. So the default pin is 0000. You can just go ahead and select the 0000 and press OK, and the TV will be reset to the factory default. And this is how you can factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. Hope you found it pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.